Welcome to Owen Allen Media. So Malie Donn finally replied to Chronicler Duppy link up, and Malie Donn dropped a new song titled Oh No No. And I am excited for this song because Chronicler, did talk about a few things in his previous song, and now Malie Donn is here with his banger. And we know it will be a banger. So make we hear what go on. Where did you would have to say? Boy, choose this me. You're evil fit you are with me pinky. You're easy fit it up to linky. Front face man off like and with the ginger. And this and no game, no cartoon, no Disney. No we dead in a real life, no true me see this. So the dog start off the song and I say, yo, Chronicler cannot even war with him Pinky. So Chronicler, remember Chronicler was the artist who was small up and a size up Malie Donn, but Malie Donn a size up, but Chronicler say, yo, you don't even bad like me Pinky. Because Chronicler, Chronicler have it to say that he's the more established lyrical artist, but Malie Donn is now getting a lot of good feedback from the war, and Malie Donn feel that confidence right now to say, yo, you cannot even war with me Pinky. Me I stand up firm in this. You see me?
Oh, you can't find a brother body for give my funeral, eh? Same more, sun flat, same flow. What you are doing in a dark room with Shane War? Trick on the clear road, no shot the key road. Man alive, stay low, white shirt, stay low.
Malie Donn say, yo, I know you can't find your brother if you give him a proper funeral. So the man them last Chronicler brother. And Chronicler and Shano, you know what I mean? They do Shano have him song Dark Room, and then Chronicler did remix the song. So Malie Donn say, yo, what you doing in a dark room with Shano? Eh? What we're not doing in a dark room. You don't know what go on in another room. They look something more go on. Shano probably I go take it as a diss for enter the war right there, so and that we want. You see me? Yeah. Make sure you take it as an invitation for coming at the war. If I so be it then.
Drag queen nature, but me no hear no side like leader. Telling I don't feel close. Love watch man of them sitting they don't care about. Smaddy them a
Why Malie Donn go so hard? Drag queen bleach here. Say that call Chronicler a drag queen. Cause usually a drag queen is a man with dress up like female in the makeup and some one lip color hair and some one lip beard things. You see me? And Malie Donn say, yo, drag queen, here color up and these things. Jano.
That's why volume see the last sniff crack with drum long time shot and them a boxing down. Span glass man them clamping gun. Fuck I love links too much.
Alright, so Malie Donn I say, yo, all Chronicler gun them when have and lock off the links them when say them have, the man them clamp down them gun, the man them lock down them gun, them can't go back at them the place there, and he now get back none of him shoes them. You see me? And we already know say Shabdan been a beat him up. Shabdan have him as a little baby round there, so you see me? Yeah man.
I don't know say everything me a chat a fox. I don't know say everything me a chat a fox.
Dog say, yo, all who know say everything with me a chat a facts, and you Chronicler know say everything with me a chat a facts, and una no murderer. And when him say badness was started, una no murderer, that sound like Mavado when Mavado war cartel, you see me? Real Mackay type of settings. No one ever you are did your brother was a killer. Or you are Taco, Fredman, crime from him at 13, man him was no virgin. I'll fight them a informer, you know that. Be things Malie Donn just chat right aside that Malie Donn say, yo, Chronicler is not no murderer. Chronicler is no bad man. It was Chronicler brother, and Chronicler brother get fling with, and Shabdan Chronicler Shabdan puppet. You see me? And Malie Donn also say, yo, oh, Chronicler talk about Fredman badness and Fredman crime. Fredman a bad man. You see me? Fredman a bad for him a little picnic come straight back up. You see me? So the dog I say, yo, ya bait, and we know ya bait. You a play interview from me was a little youth a come up, right? And We did rate you coming up. We give you your flowers, we give you your respect and your ratings because you deserve it. You see me, we can't take nothing from you. Did rate you, but we just find out say, yo, you're a clown, you're a fool, you're a sellout, you're all of these things. You see me, so the ratings are there again for you in that regard. You see me?
Black chip, right chip, 16 shot off your plastic smile. Like a blood clot killer, you a house invader. St. Thomas run you with your bandit style. It's a 3-6, me ready for league. Eat your yam squid, pussy, popcorn of your secret. Don't go career that, but tell us if you leave it. We sang it pussy. You're bigger than V6. Check it.
Jesus, please, we can't believe it. I beat things. Malie Donn just chat right there, so. Malie Donn just chat a beat things. Malie Donn just chat beer things. Malie Donn say, yo, which song Chronicler have bigger than V6? Malie Donn say, yo, Popcaan have Chronicler secret because him not stop me Popcaan sister Squid and some beer other things. Hold on.
Career that, but tell us if you leave it. We start if you leave it. Your yam squid pussy popcorn of your secret. Don't go career that, but tell us if you leave it. We start the pussy up bigger than V6. Check it.
You know, say, me talk about this in my previous video. And I say, Chronicler need to stop underestimate Malie Donn in the sense of that because him bust before Malie Donn and was established before Malie Donn, him feel like say, yo, career-wise, him bigger than Malie Donn by a landslide. You see me? And that's not necessarily the case. Yes, you did bust and establish it for the artist, but at the same time, the artist come get a big song that is bigger than all of your songs because Empty is Chronicler's biggest song and V6 is a bigger song than Empty. You see me? V6 on YouTube have over 40 million views per Malie Donn channel plus Country Hype channel will have over how much other millions of views. Chronicler Empty only have a certain amount, around 40 something million views per film one video. Plus V6 V6 streamings on Spotify. V6 get a lot of radio airplay and all of these and crossover in New York and all of these other places. That was not the success that Empty got. And Chronicler have no other song were bigger than Empty. Empty is his biggest song and V6 is a bigger song than Empty. You see me? So Malie Donn size him up career wise and I size him up in the badness just the same. You see me? And that are facts. Malie Donn say Chronicler don't know anything about him and that's true. Chronicler does not know anything about Malie Donn. Chronicler does not have any dirt on Malie Donn. Malie Donn have all the Chronicler secret. Malie Donn have all of the information we can get on Chronicler because Chronicler was in the thing long before him come up and him never get quote unquote corrupt in the system. You see me like how Chronicler get corrupt in the system. So him know so him can come contract him can come contract be things and Chronicler I figure say yo that boy they are informer. You see me?
All the streets no fear of the such style. What sing song with one bag of copy night can't style like how with your pum appetite. Give nafi talk over she's a you all are east side no.
The dog say him not fi talk who Bashi sacrifice and Chronicler can't style Atto with theme type of appetite. You see me?
You know bad telling words your priest killing them pick a lap dash your body with a ton and a send to your lands.
Malie Donn just say, Malie Donn say, yo, Chronicler did pre-Skillibeng for a collab. So any fallout with Chronicler and Skillibeng did have, it all stem from Chronicler a pre-Skillibeng. You know what I mean? Because a collaboration never did not materialize between them. Now them good, but you know that was the pre-ments before. You see me?